Welcome to Lesson 58. You've got a giant spreadsheet of customer data and need to guess who canceled their subscription. Your first instinct might be language models are crazy expensive and slow for simple row-by-row math. If you pick the wrong tool, your dashboard takes 10 seconds to load and costs a fortune to run. Imagine you're hiring someone to read a giant ledger of numbers and spot bad loans. You could hire a brilliant novelist or a quiet accountant. The large language model, or LLM, is your brilliant novelist who reads between the lines. XGBoost is your quiet accountant who just stares at the boxes and adds up numbers. When the novelist looks at a tax form, they read the whole page to understand the person's life story. They might notice the taxpayer has 3 kids and guess they need a bigger house. The accountant ignores the story completely. They just check box A, multiply by box B, and instantly spit out the final tax owed. But here's the catch. In the real world, the novelist is incredibly smart, but reading 10,000 forms for hidden meanings takes forever and costs a fortune. The accountant finishes the exact same pile in 5 minutes for pennies and makes fewer math mistakes. Let's say you want to predict if a user will buy a premium upgrade based on their login history. Your data is just rows of users and columns of clicks, which we call tabular data. Feeding this rigid grid to a language model is like asking the novelist to find poetry in a phone book. So what's your actual move when planning this feature? First, look at your data shape before picking the AI. Second, if it's rows and columns, use XGBoost. For grid data, the accountant wins every time. Don't let the hype push you into using a language model for a simple database query. Use the accountant for spreadsheets and save the novelist from messy text. Match the AI to the data shape.